Kids, we talked about heat waves, a lot about heat waves, how they are changing. They're changing in their duration, how long they last, their frequency, how often they happen, and their scale, how large they are, and intensity, how strong they are getting compared to the past, and so on. And we said ocean is taking up 90% of the excess heat we're trapping because of increasing greenhouse gases. Obviously, that means ocean must also be experiencing some heat waves. And yes, kids, oceans are experiencing heat waves. But remember that ocean also has high heat capacity and it moves very, very, very slowly compared to the atmosphere, which means heat waves can move but very slowly. And we said in the atmosphere, heat waves can be formed locally or the heat can be brought from somewhere else in the horizontal, in the vertical, and so on. In the ocean, same thing happens, but again, if they're moving slowly, then maybe you can say, hey, there is a heat wave coming, I can see it. Then the question is, what can you do about it? You have to look for the impacts. If heat waves happen in the ocean or on land and nothing happens, then maybe people don't care. But you have to see how the heat waves in the ocean are affecting, let's say, the oxygen, the fish, the corals, and so on. And we have plenty of evidence, especially from some specific places like northeast Pacific off of the Alaskan coast and Northwest America and Canada, the Gulf of Alaska, where the blob was formed, which was the first time people started to notice that there can be warming in the ocean that can last forever and cause serious damage to ecosystems. Now we are seeing that corals, when hit with a heat wave, can bleach. What does that mean? Corals are very colorful. You can go see videos and images on YouTube and on the internet. They are colorful because coral is like a building that offers residence for all the colorful tropical fishes, and there are symbiont algae that produce oxygen with photosynthesis that are stuck on the corals. When you have warm temperatures or high acidity or low pH, as we said in the previous podcast, corals can bleach, which means the symbiont algae die, the colors go away, corals become white. Okay, now we are trying to make a predictions of heat waves in the ocean, and we are seeing that heat waves are also increasing in the ocean. Now the question is, what can we do about it? What can we do about it? You cannot move fish, you cannot move corals, but we must find smart ways to deal with these, kids.